Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about animals in their surroundings, class 5th, science chapter 2nd. Okay, in the last video we will discuss about the habitat, types of habitats and definition of the habitat, terrestrial as well as aquatic habitat, and then some other important words in that chapter, that is amphibians, arboreals as well as aerial animals, definitions as well as examples. So in this video we will learn about the continuation of that chapter, animals in their surroundings, the body coverings. So we already know that. So mainly the animals, they are present in different habitats, so they have to adapt for that particular habitat. They have some body coverings, they have to change some of, they have to adapt, they adapt with their different body structures. So in order to survive in their unique surroundings, so animals have evolved with their different body structures. So let us learn about those body structures. So what are the body coverings we have to learn in this video, that is body covering of animals. So I already wrote here some examples. Snail, it's covering the shell. Okay, we know that snail. Okay, next fish. So fish, the body covering of fish is the scales. Scales. Then crocodile. So crocodiles also having the body covering, that is also scales. And then lion. So yes, lion having the body covering of that lion, it completely, the body completely covers with hair. Okay, with hair. Okay, next Arctic fox. So this animal is exactly present in the polar regions. So the polar regions, there is a the cold, so cold region. So here they protect themselves. So they have the body covering of this Arctic fox is a fur. This is fur. We call it as the fur. Sparrow. Sparrow. So we know that, we already see that so many birds. Okay, they are the covering of that birds. The sparrow is the feathers. What is that? Feathers. Okay. Next one. Polar bear. So polar bear means it is also present in the polar region. So polar bear, the body covering of the polar bear is the fur. Okay, fur. So tortoise. So where it is present? Yes, it is present and water as well as land also. So it covers the, again, shell. So body covering of the tortoise is a shell. Then oyster. So oyster, so it is also a aquatic animal. So the body of this oyster is covered by a shell. Covered by a shell. Next is a sheep. Yes, children, we know that sheep, the body of the sheep fully covered with the wool. What we call it as, that body covering of the sheep is a wool. Okay. Next, polar bear. It is present in the polar region. So the body is completely covered with the fur. What is that? Fur. Okay. Next one is the peacock. Peacock. So it is a bird. We know that the body of this peacock is mainly completely covers with the feathers. What is that? Feathers. Peacock, feathers. Next, snake. Yes, the body of the snake is covered by scales. The body of the snake is covered by scales. Okay. So these are the body coverings of the animals. That is snail, shell, fish, scales, crocodile, scales, lion, hair, Arctic fox, fur, sparrow, feathers, tortoise, shell, oyster, shell, sheep, wool, polar bear, fur, peacock, feathers, snake, scales. Okay. So next. So here the animals already give us so many examples for these different body coverings. Though what is the main function of these body coverings? This helps them to adapt and live comfortably in their particular habitat. So some are present in on the land, some are present in water, so whatever, some are present in polar regions, okay, like that. For that particular habitat, these body coverings are helpful for those animals. They live, they adapt and live comfortably in their habitats, okay. So feathers, so usually the body coverings of the feathers are we see in the birds. So feathers, what's the function of the feathers? Feathers that keep them warm. Feathers keep that bird warm and help them to fly. Okay, scales. So scales do not, what is the main function in aquatic animals? The body covering of the aquatic animals is mostly scales. So scales, what the function of the scales here? Scales do not let water in their body and they give sometimes protection. For example, reptiles, that is crocodiles, snakes, lizards. So these are also having the scales. So what is the main function of those scales, children? They are giving protection to the particular animals. Okay, particular animals. Okay. Next is a shell. So mostly, so this is a, for example, snail. So it is having the shell. So that is, the shell is a very hard outer covering. So that very hard thick outer covering, we call it as the shell. Okay. So what is the main function of the shell? It is a body covering of some animals. So it protects soft bodies of animals. So like snail, then tortoise and oyster. So these animals are covered, the body coverings, that is shell. They give protection to their soft body. Okay. Next is the wool. So some animals such as sheep have a hairy body covering, that we can call it as the wool. Okay. So what is the main function of this body covering wool to that sheep? So it keeps their body warm. The wool keeps their body warm. Okay. Next one is the fur. So the thick fur of a polar bear or Arctic fur, here is the polar bear and then Arctic fox. So these are the body coverings is a fur. So thick fur protects those animals, that is polar bear, Arctic fox. So like that animals. So what they can do, they protect them from extreme cold. So we know that in the polar regions there is a extreme cold is there. So they can adapt, those animals adapt in that particular habitat. So they are having this type of body coverings for their protection. Okay. This fur help those animals, polar bears, like polar bears, they protect them from extreme cold. Okay. So this is about the body coverings of animals. Okay. So thanks for watching, children. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Bye bye.